Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a bit different but an exciting one because today is a Temu haul. Temu hauls are so fun to watch, so I decided to do one myself, and when Temu approached me to partner with them, I was so excited because I already love the brand. I've already bought from them, so when they asked me to partner with them, I was just thrilled. In case you don't know about Temu, Temu is an online marketplace where you can buy any and everything. They have so many things from kitchen gadgets, decor, pet stuff, baby stuff, toys, beauty stuff, beauty gadgets, even fashion and clothing. Pretty much anything that you would want, they will have it, and at such amazing prices. They are super affordable, and also they do amazing sales. You can literally get stuff for 90% off. They also do free shipping and they offer free returns. So all the information will be down in the description box. You can use the link to download the app. The app is user friendly, and use my exclusive code to get up to 70% off. You'll get 500 dirhams worth of free coupons, so you can save up quite a bit of money on already very affordable prices. I'm really excited to show you the stuff that I got and I've been using, and let's start with the video because the stuff that I've got is a bit interesting and I'm really excited to share with you guys. The first thing that I got is this cordless hair curler. I'm sure you guys have seen this on the internet. It's pretty viral. So basically you just section your hair and take a strand of combed hair, insert the hair into the curler and press the button. Wait for the tone and release, and you'll have your perfectly curled hair. You have the option to select the curl direction, right or left, set the temperature and also the timing, how long before you want to release the curl. So it's super easy and really efficient. I did my hair like a couple of hours ago, and you know my hair is dead straight, so it does not hold a curl, but even with that, it really did a good job. It's really simple to use, so handy, easy to travel with. You can adjust the timer, the temperature, and also when you want it to rotate right or left. All of that is over here, and you just have to charge it, and then it's cordless, which I absolutely love. And also I like that it's so small and handy. I'm really glad I got this because I'm always looking for hair tools. My hair is a bit tricky. Also it comes with these hair pins to, hold your hair, a tail comb to partition your hair, so that's also really handy. Okay, so the next product that I got is this humidifier. I have spoken about humidifiers and how important or how useful they are, to have around the house. And in case you guys don't know why you might need a humidifier, it's because it helps with the sinus congestion and also with your skin. It keeps it hydrated in the winters when the air is really dry, or if you have ACs on, which we do in Dubai especially. And also it really helps if you have children and babies because it helps with clogged nose, sinus, all of that. It clears your passages. It's also great if you have dry eyes. I suffer from that. I wake up with really dry eyes. So my last humidifier actually broke, so I had been looking for one. So when I got on the Temu app and I saw this, I was really excited. This is a small handy, it's a very cute small handy humidifier. It comes in 3 colors. I think I got the green one. This has a capacity of about 2 liters, which lasts 12 to 18 hours depending on what mode you set it on. You can have the pressure high or low. It comes with 2 nozzles, so you can just use one or you can use 2 depending on how much moisture you want in the air. And also it has different light settings as well. Okay, so the next product we have is also a pretty viral product on the internet. I don't know if you can see the dirty water in it. It's basically a makeup brush cleaner. You place the brushes on top and then you press this button, it rotates and it cleans all your brushes. It does it in few seconds. I hate the process of cleaning my brushes, and because of that I end up leaving them for days and days. It's really unhygienic and it really does a number on your skin. And since I got this, I actually enjoy the process of cleaning my brushes because it's not just super efficient but very therapeutic as well. At the end of the day, when I'm like relaxed watching a show, I put this on and I clean all my brushes. It's fun to do, and it's not a lot of mess, and it's just a fun thing I do while watching a show and having a bit of fun. Okay, so the next thing I got is a fairly simple thing, but it was so reasonable and I really needed this for my bathroom. This is basically an organizer. I got the white one because the acrylic one that I had before, it gets a lot of watermarks, which makes it look really dirty, and cleaning it is a bit of a task. With this, you can hide all the watermarks. It doesn't show the watermarks, and also it has these drawers where I can put my tweezers and stuff. I'm really excited to place this in in my bathroom and get rid of the clutter and the mess I have in there. So the next thing I have is this smoothie maker. I've actually used it a couple of times, so that's why it's out of the box. It's a cordless smoothie maker. It's really easy to use. It's so cute and tiny, and it also, doubles as a glass. And I like the fact that when this is not on, it does not start working and it says there's a safety lock, because that can be really dangerous. I've made a couple of smoothies with this, and because I got this, I've actually started drinking those healthy smoothies that I've been promising myself. The other blender that I have is so big, it takes such a long time to clean it up. This is so easy, and also I love the fact that this doubles as a cup where you can actually take it out if you're going to the gym, or you could just hang around the house and keep sipping your smoothie or whatever. Okay, so the next thing that I got, I'm actually really excited about. It is this tiny thing. I think it was for 10-15 dirhams. Very, very cheap. It's basically a facial spray where you can fill it up with water or aloe vera mixed with water, rose water, whatever you want to use, and then spray your face. The best thing about it is the mist. It gets rid of my powdery makeup. I do this after I'm done with my makeup. Can you see how fine the mist is? It's also really refreshing. I love doing this in the summers. And the other time I actually use it, before I use a serum like hyaluronic acid or niacinamide or anything, I spray this on. It dampens my face enough without making it look wet. Brings in a bit of moisture, evenly, very fine mist. I can keep doing this all day. And my daughter is obsessed with this too. This is my favorite thing, I think. Okay, so the next thing I got is this heated eyelash curler. Basically, this heats up and then you can use it like a regular lash curler, and it helps you hold your curl. I would say, if I'm being completely honest, this and a regular curler, it works the same. The only difference that I did see was that after using the heated one, the curl lasts longer. I have very straight lashes, and holding a curl for a long time, it does hold a curl for the time being, but after a while my eyelashes go straight again, because I have dead straight hair. My lashes are really straight. So the only difference I saw with this was that the curl held for longer. It's not a necessity, but I'll be honest, it was so inexpensive that I actually don't mind having it. All you have to do is turn this on. It has two settings. One is low, the other is high. Sometimes when I really want to put in the extra effort, I'll use this. So not a bad thing to have. Okay, next thing I got is this shaver. This is basically for hair removal. It's a shaver and it's so cute and tiny. I hate waxing my body because, first of all, it's really painful, and also, you have to arrange, and in Dubai it's really expensive. In Pakistan you have to call a lady and it's just sticky and messy. And then I also don't like using a regular shaver, like those shaving blades, because that makes my skin very rough and a bit itchy. When I ordered this, I'll be really honest, I didn't have high hopes because I didn't think this would do much. This was so inexpensive and I was expecting it to be painful. This is practically painless. I used it all over my body. My legs feel so smooth. It's almost like I got waxed. And my arms, underarms, everywhere. I used it everywhere and it was not painful, which waxing gets really painful for me. And it was so easy and a bit fun too. I enjoyed the whole process. This has made my life very easy, especially in Dubai, where finding time and to go for waxing and how expensive that is. This just makes it so easy. For the price, it's really insane. Okay, next I got a few clips and ponies for my daughter. These were so inexpensive and so cute. Usually when I go to the mall or anywhere else, I get them for quite a penny. It's usually 30 dirhams, 40 dirhams, like something. I got these for 4 dirhams. I got this for 4 dirhams and like this for 3 dirhams. And so cute. Like, if you guys can see, if you have daughters and you like styling their hair, these two are so cute. I'm obsessed. Next, I got a few personal items like this strapless bra and this shapewear. Basically, this is great if you have a bit of a tummy and you want to tuck it in. Curves and bumps that you want to hide. With this shapewear, it gets really easy, especially if you like to wear dresses or something that's a bit more tight. And I got a strapless bra, which insert a picture of as well. This is great if you're wearing anything that has net over here or something that shows a bit of your shoulder, like a boat neck or something. Bras are usually expensive. For this price, a strapless bra, that too pretty decent quality, I was quite impressed. So other than that, I got a few toys for my daughter. I'll insert a video of the magnetic blocks, kind of blocks, I don't know what they're called, but I'll insert a video of that. My daughter absolutely loves it. It's such a fun thing to do. She loves making shapes, and then, you know, we learn about shapes. So that's such a fun toy where she enjoys and also learns. I was actually looking for those magnetic blocks, but they were very expensive on most sites, and when I saw this on Temu, they were so inexpensive. You can get a set of 20, 36, 40, like there are different sets where you can decide the quantity that you want, but it's so inexpensive on Temu. It's such a fun toy for kids. And also I also got this kitchen set. I haven't given it to her yet, so I'll let her open, but let me just show you a bunch of it. This again was so inexpensive, so inexpensive. You can probably buy this anywhere, but not at the price. You can get all sorts of toys if you have boys. There are toys for boys, educational toys. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, because I had a really fun time placing the order, getting these products. I love watching hauls, and I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. And if you did, and if you want to buy from Temu as well, I'm going to leave the link. You can download the app, you can place your order, use my coupon code, and you will save a lot of money. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.